Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm just setting up this. It is my smart smoke detector. This thing will do carbon monoxide. It has 3 different lights, a red light that means alarm, yellow that means fault, and green that means it's good to go and powered up. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. So one of the cool aspects to this fire alarm is that it does talk to you in easy to understand English.
There was a fire alarm before.
That's the first alarm that I've heard that will do that. On top of that, it does tie into the apps, which are absolutely fantastic. Next, let me go ahead and show you the test. The thing that I really want to point out is that this is a very loud alarm. I'm going to test it outdoors. That way you can get a real feel for it. And this thing is impressive. So let's go ahead and show you the test next.
Testing alarms. This may take a few seconds. Testing smoke. Fire. Testing carbon monoxide. Warning. Carbon monoxide. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. The testing is complete and you are protected.
So there you go, folks. A really fantastic device. Connecting to the device was very easy. You just put the batteries in, hold this down for 5 seconds, and then when you have the app, just go ahead and click connect. This little red light will be blinking, and they'll connect immediately into your Wi-Fi network. You just have to connect your Wi-Fi network as well by adding the password. Super simple stuff. You're gonna wanna go ahead and pick this up. It is a smart way to take care of your family and help prevent emergency and scary situations. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations, showing you some of our favorite products around. This one is absolutely fantastic. I don't know what you're waiting for, but it is incredible. All right, go ahead and check it out, and we've got the up close portion of the video coming up next. All right, folks, now it's time to check this out. It's the TREATLIFE Smart Carbon Monoxide Alarm and Smoke Alarm. Yeah, it has remote notifications, 2-in-1 protection, automatic self-check, whole home automation, and it requires no painful wiring. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Now this thing is going to work for the next decade. That's awesome. It's a single station smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Helps reduce cooking nuisance alarms. That's awesome. The power supply is 3-volt DC, replaceable. Smoke sensor, multi-criteria, optical, and smoke alarm silence about 8 minutes. That's nice. That way you don't have to have those constantly going off and annoying the cats and dogs. The carbon monoxide silence is about 5 minutes, and the sensor is electrochemical. Yeah, how cool is that? Now this has been checked out, tried and true. This is perfect. It's great to have one in the hall, in the bedroom, in the master, in each of your bedrooms, living room, basement, and throughout. It says interconnect multiple TREATLIFE alarms in your network to get the entire house going. Seamlessly link other TREATLIFE products through automation settings. Other devices can be triggered by the alarm. The smart light in your room can turn red to remind you. Yeah, that's awesome. And common potential sources of carbon monoxide is gas and wood burning, of course. Incorrectly installed gas cooker, cracked or loose boiler flue, corroded or disconnected water heater vents, portable gas, kerosene, and much, much more. Poorly maintained gas lines, clogged chimneys, cars and motorbikes. We had a company come in and steam the carpets, and they had their generator running in the garage. And fortunately, our carbon monoxide alarm went off to let us know that they couldn't be just running that in there. This device is designed to protect from acute effects of carbon monoxide exposure. It safeguards the individuals of your house, and TREATLIFE is one of those premier companies that we've just been in love with for the longest time. Is that Billy Joel who says for the longest time? Treat life is great for the longest time. All right. Go ahead and take that off smoothly but securely. Treat life. Make sure nobody's tampered with your smart detector. There's your mounting station and your device itself. Going to go right in there. Easy to mount. Boom. And that's just going to sit on the ceiling. Don't paint it, mind you. And it does come with a smart instruction manual, printer to user's guide. Includes the mounting brackets, the hardware, 2 5AA batteries or 5AA battery, user guide, wireless connection, Android and TreatLife app or iOS device. It'll tie right in there. Says there's a few buttons here: the test and silence button, the ring indicator, the battery drawer, the mounting slots, the bracket, the turn alarm clockwise to attach, and of course, turn counterclockwise to detach. The red flashing light, here's what you see. The green flashing light, power up. Green light flash for 40 seconds, the alarm is working correctly. Then it has some indications of red light flashing, what that means, whether it's smoke detection, testing, or carbon monoxide is detected. So it's got a red light there to notify you that stuff ain't right. If you hear a red light flash every 8 seconds, see a red light flash every 8 seconds, it says test. What it means, the smoke alarm hush is activated. If the red light flash every 40 seconds, that could be a variety of things. This is just smart. The yellow light could be a smoke sensor error. The yellow flashing light every 40 seconds could mean an error or an end of life warning. Ooh, yeah, got a decade to use this. So it says install these 15 feet away from the furnace or fuel burning, if possible. All sorts of neat tips and tricks. Where to mount them, how to mount them. Don't put them in the very top of the ceiling, kind of towards the edge. And this is a great little device. Everything you need to know, including the app itself. So folks, if you're looking for a stellar smoke detector that's going to help protect your family, well, this is the bee's knees and, of course, the cat's pajamas, the cat's meow. There you go. You just put their batteries right there. Double A's, 2 of them. All right, folks, my name is Adam. Elite Demonstration, showing you the best products around. Check that out. You won't be disappointed. I appreciate you. It does come with your Energizer Max, and it does come with the mounting screws. So let's go ahead and move this out the way so you can see it one last time before we let you go. How cool is that? Whoop, hit the camera. All right. You won't be disappointed. Goodbye, my friends.